friends, Running Kimono here. So here is your Walgreens preview for the week of the 19th to the 25th of November. This is the week of Thanksgiving, Black Friday, and all that stuff. So we're going to talk about some of those deals. So the first thing, if you go into your digital coupons folder, this guy showed up. And as you can see, it's valid for that specific week. And I've had success stacking this with paper boosters as well, but it's a little something for us. And this is what they're calling the Black Friday bonus. This was how they're advertising it in their ad. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad will be published on the Walgreens app on Sunday, November the 19th with all of the digital coupons. So we're just kind of prognosticating deals with this ad. And if there is, an error with the digital coupons, you got to really double, triple check for them on the 19th. Walgreens also will be closed on Thanksgiving and I believe also on Christmas Day. If you have a 24-hour store, some of those may be open in larger markets, but for the most part, I think most of us, our Walgreens will be closed, so plan accordingly that on Thursday the 23rd, the doors will be closed. If you could possibly do me a huge kindness and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really mean a lot to me, and if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing today. I would so appreciate it. So on the front page of the flyer, they have the holiday deals of the week. We have a toy car 50%, the Toasties footwear at 50% off. They're $16.99, so you're looking at $9 a pop. And the Hershey's Holiday Kisses at 50%. That's the first one we're going to look at. So at $5.99, they're going to be $2.99. We have this digital coupon, which is a 2 off a 2. If you did not use it, I certainly haven't, along with the IVC, which is $1 off a 2 for the Hershey's Holiday Candy. Grabbing 2 of those bags, it is $5.99. Subtracting your 2 off a 2 manufacturer digital and the $1 off 2 IVC, you're left paying $2.99 for the 2 bags or $1.49 per bag. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster, but an awesome little stocking stuffer. We have more free dental care, the Crest or Oral-B, $3 to $4. We're looking for the $3 items. $6 reward when you buy 4 along with a 6 off of 4 digital. So grabbing 4 of these $3 products, that's 12 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon that's showing up on Sunday morning, you're going to pay $6, get back a $6 register reward, making it free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. The next deal we're going to look at is my favorite, the $5 Pantene. We're going to grab 3 of them. We have a 5 off 3 digital and get back a $5 reward when you buy 3 of them. So grabbing 3 of them, that's 15 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 10. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $5 for the 3 or $1.66 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. Now, if we might get some generous $3 coupons for both the men and the women's Gillette or Venus's, there's the $8 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2, and it's BOGO 50% off. This potentially can be a deal, but we're going to have to wait and see what we get and what's attaching. Now we're at everybody's favorite, the Dawn dish soaps for $1.24. $1 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these dish soaps, that's $2.48. You're going to get back a $1 register reward, making it $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. And let's be smart and remember that these register rewards print once per transaction. So say you wanted to grab 4, you wanted to do this deal twice, you'd have to do it in 2 separate transactions. On the same promotion is this Gain dish soap, a little harder to find in these parts. I could never find a bottle of this. They're $1.99, so grabbing 2 of them, it's $3.98. Get back a $1 register reward, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per dish soap. And again, it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. And if you're going to get the Dawn in this, 2 separate transactions, so that $1 register reward will print for you twice. Here's another interesting one. We have the Persil detergent for $5.99. This is upwards of like $9.79 on a non-sales week. Like, what is this made out of? Are we going to get a digital coupon for this? Yes or no? That's the question. But IBOTTA currently has $1 back. So it would drop it down to $4.99. I mean, it's not the greatest price, but if you love Persil, I know a lot of people, this is your detergent. We're going to have to wait and see what digitals we get for this detergent on Sunday morning. This is probably the best laundry deal of the week. $5.49 for the Bounce Downy Gain Tide Laundry Care. $5 reward when you buy 4 of them. We're going to load these 4 digitals that include $1 off the Bounce dryer sheets, $1 off the fabric softener, $1.50 off of the liquid, and $1.50 off of the pods. 4 of these laundry care products is $21.96. Subtracting $5 in digitals, you're going to pay $16.96 out of pocket. Get back a $5 register reward, making this $11.96 for the 4 or $2.99 per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. Our friend the Braun for $21.99. This is the online price right now, but in store it's $28.99. If you can get it price matched in store, it's an $8 reward when you buy one of these, but it's a printable. It's not like Walgreens cash, so you have to do this in store. A lot of us have this $10 digital as well, so just kind of like Frankensteining a deal together. If you can get that price modification for $21.99, subtracting your $10 manufacturer, you're going to pay $11. Get back an $8 register reward, making this fancy dancy Christmas gift, I would think. Really beautiful razor for anyone. $3.99, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. But if you can get one like online to in-store price modification, I would ask for it for this one. We have a lot of honorable mentions to go through. The first is my absolute favorite. It's the Oscar Mayer Bacon 2 for $9. A lot of the food products, they've really dropped their prices, including this bacon. So I would definitely stock up. Like, this is cheap, even cheaper than Walmart. Really good price point. The Colgate, unfortunately, those $2.50 digitals are expiring this weekend. So I'm wondering what Colgate will present us. Some better coupons for Sunday. $3 reward when you buy 2. We'll have to wait and see with that one. The Arm & Hammer is a buy one, get 2 for free, but typically the first price point is like $7.99 for the first laundry care item. So that would be like $2.66 per. And Febreze, I'm wondering if they're going to give us some nice new digital coupons to go with. We were getting such great deals. $3 reward when you buy 3 of these. That's a month-long promotion, but earlier this month we had some really great coupons. The Dial, I'm also wondering about a digital coupon for this guy because it's dropping down to $4, which is a sales price. Typically this is always a lot more, so $4 it is. And like I was saying about the food, I mean, if you wanted to buy $20 or $50 of food, Walgreens is the place to shop. BOGO 50% off, BOGO free, along with, look at all the things for baking. What a deal. Have $4.99 for the Russell Stouffer's or the Whitman Sampler chocolates, a perfect hostess gift for any Thanksgiving meal. And the final item is 3 for $13.99 for the Pepsi products. So if you are bringing the drinks, stop by Walgreens before Thanksgiving and load up for $14 for 3 of these. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.